Myself, Mrs. Harsha Devendra Zope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic. Today I am going to explain your topic exception handling in Python. This is a very important topic in Python. Learning outcomes of these videos are, after watching this video, you will be able to know what is exception handling in Python, why and how to use try except statement, and what is the code and what do you mean by raise exception statement. We know that there are three types of error: compile time error, logical error and runtime error. What do you mean by compile time error? If in your code there is a missing colon or a wrong spelling, at that time compile time error may occur. Second is a logical error. If user want to do 2 plus 3, answer is 5. But if you are getting 2 plus 3 equals to 4, then that is called as a logical error. Means your program will be compiled, but it will give a wrong output. That is a logical error. Third is a runtime error. What do you mean by runtime error? In runtime error, your code can be compiled. It don't have any logical error. But consider some cases, that is a divide by 0 error. If user want to do 6 by 6, then he will get 1. 10 by 5, he will get 2. But if the user says 6 divided by 0, it is not possible. That's give you error. This is not a compile time error. This is not a logical error. It is a runtime error. Means the error occurred while running a code. Which is the most easily handled error? It is a compile time error. Runtime error is not due to you. It is not due to the programmer. You can say it is due to the user entered input. As a developer, coder must think what kind of mistake the user can do. Even if you are getting error, exception, execution could not stop. Consider code 1. In code 1, I have declared a equals to 5, b equals to 2, print a divided by b. You can see you are getting the output 2.5. After that, consider code 2. In code 2, I have declared a equals to 5, b equals to 0, and then I am printing a divided by b. And then again I am printing a message, Praveen Patil Polytechnic. You can see that it is not possible to divide 5 by 0, so you are getting an error. Trace back most recent call last file string line number 6 in module. 0 division error, division by 0. This type of statements are not understandable by the user. What do you mean by exception and exception handling? An exception is an event which occurs during the execution of a program that disrupts the flow of a program instruction. In simple way, you can say that exception is nothing but the error. What do you mean by exception handling? Process of responding to the occurrence during computation of exceptional conditions requiring special processing. Means if a certain exception might be occurred in your program, then what type of message you will give to the user, and after that the statements written should be executed. That is the exception handling. Then we'll go toward the try and except block. In above example, we have seen that if we want to print a divided by 0, or you can say that 5 divided by 0, it is not possible. So after the statement written after print a divided by 2, it would not execute. So to solve this problem, we can put try block before the print a divided by b. By using a try block, we are saying that try to execute this code. Try to divide these two number. We don't know it will be possible or not possible. See the code. In the code, I have declared A equals to 5, B equals to 0. Then I am using try block, try, colon, then a statement that is print A divided by B. Using this, I am telling that try to execute the statement print A divided by B. If it is not possible, A divided by B means 5 divided by 0. If it is not possible, then you will get the message from except exception block. And I am printing here, print you cannot divide a number by 0. And then again I am printing a message, Praveen Patil Polytechnic. You can see the output. In this program, you are dividing 5 by 0. It is not possible. So you are getting the message. You cannot divide a number by 0. Okay. Then after these statements, Praveen Patil Polytechnic is also executed. Means if some errors will occur in your program, you will print a simple message and it will not skip your coding. The statement written after that it will be executed as it is. The next, look at the code that is written. In this code, you can see that I have declared A equals to 5, B equals to 0, and then I am using try and except block try. I am telling try to execute print A divided by B except exception as E. Here E is the exception object. It is a representation of object exception. After the except exception as E, I am printing print you cannot divide a number by 0, comma E. Means it will print the name of the particular error. So it will be easily detected by the user. The next is a raise exception. How to use raise exception? Consider a condition in which if the user entered the age which is less than 18, then you should get a message you are not eligible for election. And if the age entered by the user is greater than 18, then you will get a message you are eligible for election. Look at the screen. You can see that I have used try except block here. In try, I have declared age equals to int round bracket input enter your age for election round brackets complete. Then if age less than 18 colon raise exception means if the value entered by the user for age is less than 18, then you should jump to the except exception block. Means you should print you are not eligible for election. Else means if the value entered by the user is not less than 18, then he should print a message you are eligible for election. That is all about the raise exception. Thank you for watching this video.